What's going on, pranksters? Check out this epic gaming setup that I put together using the PlayStation 5. And so guys, in this video, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I put this setup together. But first, let's get to the giveaways for this video. And guys, you might want to pay attention as you're gonna want to be the winners of the giveaways that I'm about to mention. So guys, if this video happens to get 20,000 likes before 2021 ends, I will choose a winner from the comments, and that person will get a brand new PlayStation 5, just like the one you see right here. Now, if this video gets 50,000 likes before December 31st, 2021, I will choose a winner from the comments, and that person will get the exact same gaming setup that I have right here. So if you want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. So good luck, pranksters. Now let me show you how I put this gaming setup together. So far right now on the wall I have the poster for Prankster. Check it out, it looks freaking awesome, right? Well, that is the movie that I will be starring in, and actually it's already been filmed and it will be released very soon. So just a heads up guys, I will be in a movie. So already that will be my wall decoration. But this empty space we will cover with a gaming desk. And this desk right here guys was $100. In the back it's got the holes for the cables, which is good for cable management. It's got a really good flat surface. On the left side it's got a hook for the headphones. It's got a good frame. It's metal, so it's solid. On the right side we have the cup holder, which is very important if you're a gamer because you want to have your drinks handy. So far guys, this is where we're gonna be putting our whole gaming stuff on. And the first thing that will go up on this desk is this open monitor. On Amazon I bought it for a little bit over $150, but it was definitely worth it, and so I thought I would use it for this setup. And the first modification that I want to do to it is the back. I want to put some LEDs on it so it lights up, and these were just perfect for that. We get 16 color options, and this was only $5, so it's definitely worth it. So all I gotta do is just stick it on. And I'm gonna go all around pretty much the frame of it. This stuff has adhesive on the back, so it sticks on pretty well. This might not look very appealing, but believe me, once this is lit up, it will look freaking awesome. So I'll just place it back where it goes. The surface of the desk looks a little bit plain, and I don't like that. So we're gonna make it a little bit better with an Rgb Mouse Pad. So I'll just lay this on the desk, and it might go under the monitor, but that is fine, and that should definitely give this desk a little bit more color. On the left side of the monitor, here we're gonna place the Sony PlayStation 5. Look at that beauty right there. As I stated before, at first I didn't like the design of the PS5, but over time I've definitely changed my opinions about it. And of course we'll place the controller in the center for easier access. Since pretty much every gamer these days plays online and communication is very important, well, we need a microphone for this setup. So here I have a 5 microphone, so I'm gonna take it out because we'll be using it for this setup. Pretty much this acts like a Blue Yeti, so if you've had a Blue Yeti before, you'll know how awesome those are. Well, this one's just as great. It comes with its own stand, and it is compatible with the PS5. So I'll place this right here, right in front of me, so that when I need to speak into it, it's very handy and accessible. And part of communicating is not just talking, but also listening. So to be able to listen, here I have my Feel Canvas headset. Comes in a nice case that I can unzip. And there they are. I will have these wired once I plug everything up. And it goes directly into the microphone right on the bottom. And the headset here has its designated spot right over here on this hook, so it's very convenient and very accessible, just like the microphone. Now these lights I've used before. These are perfect if you have a PlayStation 5 because it obviously represents the PS5. So pretty much any PlayStation fan would recognize these symbols right here. So that's exactly what we get inside this box. And just like the box, as I stated guys, you get the same thing. It's actually a little bit bigger. And that I will place over here on the right side of the monitor just for added decoration. At this point, pretty much everything is in place, but I just thought that this desk needed a little bit more RGB stuff, and so we take out the Novastella RGB lights. This is a light strip of 20 feet, so it should be able to cover the desk right along the edge of it. It's just a strip and it's black, so it goes very well with the desk. I'm telling you guys, these go on pretty easy. Just like the previous LED strip that I placed on the back of the monitor, these have adhesive on the back, so they stick on really well. And this is what's left of the LEDs, which went all around the desk. So I'm just gonna leave this row behind, and it should add a really cool effect once these lights are lit. Alright, so everything is set, guys. Except that we can't game without a chair, right? So let me bring out one of my gaming chairs to make this setup complete. And this is my Vipec gaming chair. It's very comfortable and it looks freaking awesome. So it goes really well with this setup. So now what's left is to fire everything up, and let me show you guys exactly how everything looks when in action. Check it out, guys, everything's powered and lit, and so we are left with this awesome PlayStation 5 gaming setup. Alright, pranksters, well, let's recap. What do we have here? Well, we started off with the desk. It might be very basic, it was only $100, but it still does the job. It's perfect for gaming, as you guys can see. It's got the hook right there, which allows us to hang our headphones. On the other side, we have the cup holder, and there I placed a Pepsi can just so you guys can see. So I'll have my drink handy right there. Also around the desk, I placed some Novastella RGB lights. These are really awesome and it makes the desk stand out a lot. On top of the desk, I placed an Rgb mouse pad. As you guys can see, it's lighting up right now. On top of it, we got the Ps5 controller because we do have the Ps5 over here. That is our main gaming console for this setup. Also for communicating, we got the 5-fine microphone. Plugs in directly to the Ps5. So it's definitely good for online gameplay. We got the monitor right there. And then we got some more lighting over here. These are the awesome PlayStation icons. Pretty cool, right? And then we have the gaming chair by Vipec. Very comfortable for gaming. Oh, and I almost forgot about the prankster poster up there. That is for the movie that I will be starring in. Coming soon, guys. This is what it looks like with the lights off. And as you guys can see, it's very bright. Lights up pretty well. And pretty much anybody would be envious of this gaming setup if you had it at home. So pranksters, like I said, I am giving away this whole gaming setup once this video gets 50,000 likes. And we got all of 2021 to get those likes. And if we can't get to 50,000 likes, well, at 20,000 likes, and again, we have till the end of the year, if we get those likes, I will be giving away a PlayStation 5 to somebody from the comments. So to enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. So don't forget to like this video.